Welcome to Module 5.2, Historical Development of Mixed Methods. In this session, we'll explore how mixed methods research evolved over time, from its roots in philosophical debates to its recognition as a distinct and sophisticated research methodology. Understanding this history helps us appreciate the intentional integration of methods and the paradigms that continue to shape how mixed methods are practiced today. Mixed methods research emerged from ongoing paradigm debates in the social sciences. During the 20th century, scholars were often divided between quantitative and qualitative camps, a period sometimes referred to as the paradigm wars. In the 1980s and 1990s, a shift occurred toward moving beyond these divisions, with scholars recognizing the value of integrating methods. Mixed methods began to be acknowledged as a distinct methodology, not just a combination of tools. The early 2000s saw its formalization with the development of frameworks, designs, and educational programs. Today, the field continues to evolve, with growing emphasis on integration, rigor, and application across disciplines. These philosophical foundations support mixed methods research. Pragmatism is the most widely cited. It values practical solutions and focuses on research questions rather than rigid methodological rules. Other foundations include critical realism, which blends empirical observation with recognition of underlying causal mechanisms, and the transformative paradigm, which centers on social justice and marginalized perspectives. Some researchers also draw from dialectical pluralism, which encourages dialogue between differing worldviews. Together, these perspectives reflect a broader shift away from paradigmatic restrictions, allowing researchers to be methodologically flexible while remaining philosophically coherent. As mixed methods research matured, several core debates emerged. One major issue was paradigmatic compatibility, whether quantitative and qualitative approaches could truly coexist. Researchers have since proposed a variety of integration strategies, from merging data sets to linking phases in sequential designs. Another key development has been the creation of quality criteria, with scholars defining what makes a mixed method study rigorous and trustworthy. Reporting standards have also advanced, offering clearer guidelines for presenting complex designs. Overall, the field has seen growing methodological sophistication, enabling researchers to produce more integrated, impactful, and transparent studies.